Morphophonological derivation matrix, lesson 8. I go back again and again, because English without sound waves is not English. This is only such as English. That means you use same as English words, but this is not English. You must use sound waves and a lot of pauses when you speak. That means use sound waves when you repeat this title. Morphophonological derivation matrix. This is sound waves. This is the basic of English. And connected words too. Okay. Our base word in this 8th lesson is come. Go back and practice ordinal cardinal numbers too. Not 8. What is difference between ordinal and cardinal number? 8. This is which one? 8th lesson. Use these letters at the end of this word. T and H. Practice it. Maybe your accent not the best. That means your foreign language accent is so hard. But if you do something more to practice your accent, because you'd like to have better English accent and you practice it with your bad methods, this is more than enough, because you do something. Okay. Or derived form, not derived form, derived form. Play with the stress. Use the connected words. Okay, first one is verb, not verb, or verb. Verb. Okay, first one is come. I'd like to come. Where? Maybe this is not correct from Gamma side, but I can generate this sentence because this sentence was not written. Next one is verb, again, with prefix over. I'd like to overcome my stupidity in my mind. Generate any sentence, such as me. Become. This is, I like to be someone. This is hard. Have to generate one sentence with this hard word. I like to become maybe better in English. Next one is outcome. If I like to be better in English, my outcome will be, if I practice this language, I will be better in English. Next one is, last one is, in this lesson, income. I increased my income. Try to generate same examples. Try to generate, not generate or generate or generate. Go to next one.